Girls. Today is going to be on dancehall artist Spice. Once again, Spice has had another title underneath her mini, and now it is her Gracie. New Gracie, playing after her government name Grace, and New that stands for black. So the first thing them say them here is black, and that has to do with childhood and more. However, Spice understand the rule of 7 stream of income. We know she's doing dancehall, the love and hip hop. She have face and laces, which has to do with makeup and hair. So that is a 2-in-1. Now it's the fashion, and we don't know what more she's going to be doing. All right, so Spice is very flexible on that and a go-getter, and I congratulate her. However, about 2 days ago, she was being trolled, and Spice of knowing to ignore people because this is considered customer service and she's going to be trolled. She has not done anything where shipping is concerned. She's just debuting the clothes, like showing you with pictures and small videos of what she has to offer thus far. And this is what would have trolled leaved underneath one of the clothing that she had put up. My mom got one and it was trash. Not good material. It wasn't comfy and it shrunk completely after she put it in the dryer. People, please don't buy. Save your money. This is not good quality. And then Spice went off. As you can see clearly on the screen, you can read for yourself. I don't feel like being Mother Ghost today. So I'm saying to Spice, just ignore and just steadfast and dating. Catch you in the next video.